everyone. Welcome or welcome back. Lucia here with the other bag from the estate sale. So this is bag number 2. We opened bag number 1 last week, and now we're gonna open this one. The other one was a really nice one, right? It was, yeah. I prefer the estate bags more than the jewelry jars, basically because of the history and also the condition of the items and also the price. So I have a long pearl necklace here. These are 4 pearls. That's the clasp over there, right? This one is a Renoir, is it? Looks like one of those, yes, Renoir bracelets. Am I missing something here, or I'm not sure. The copper one. I like it. Then I have another. Right, let me. This is also copper, but I need to clean this one, and I cannot open this. Okay, give me 1 moment. Let me use my scissors though for this one. Yes, I did it, yeah. So I do not want to break my nails. And yes, this one is a bit, I need to clean this one. I don't see any markings on this one. So we have the zebra, the elephant, and the tiger. So probably like Noah's Ark, right? Very nice. Those are very comfortable to wear because they have the 3 panels. And this is a mixed metal. Right, it's a nice one too. Okay. Then we have this one that is kind of a I don't see anything on this one, so it's probably just gold-plated. You have the crystals in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crystals. Okay. Oh, more. This, I believe it's a bronze one, a snake type. And these 2, they're probably, this kind of looks like alpaca to me, but I might be wrong, so I have to test them. Oh. I'm trying to look at the design, sorry you guys. I'm a very creative person, so when I see something that is handmade, I like to examine and take my time. So this one is a stone. I'm not sure what stone, let's check. Well, maybe a jade. And I love how they wrapped the design. They elevated the stone a little bit. So it's actually a really nice ring. Look at this. Right? I actually like it. Let me take this one off, and yeah, it's comfortable. I actually like it. Yeah. Okay. Right. A reversed carved glass here. It's an intaglio brooch. Yeah, I see the coating on the back, on the glass. Okay. And a pair of cufflinks. Another one. This is much better than, I mean, they're looking much better, this pair, than the ones from the other bag. You know what I mean. Okay, we have another copper bracelet here. Okay. Okay, I have a band and then another band. Okay, a butterfly brooch, right? This one is a very lovely gold filled chain, and they glued the, yeah, they're not moving, so they glued the shelf on the chain. You have this dangly one. It's a really nice one though, actually. Yep, I can definitely wear this one in the summer or at the beach. Yes, it's beautiful. Then I have a locket, and this one is gold tone. It's in a very, I'm gonna open, very like an antique gold tone metal. Now this one is absolutely exquisite. Glass beads, and I'll show you. I want you guys to see the detail on the bead, on the glass beads. Like the art on these ones, and the colors and everything, just precious, absolutely precious. And it's a long one. And that's the clasp. Okay, right. Then I do have this one now, some sort of a reconstructed turquoise, maybe dyed, I think it is. Okay, and I do have a book. I also purchased a book from this estate sale about turquoise, and I was thinking that maybe we can all go together and look at the book, through the book I mean, and we can learn about turquoise. That's a very interesting one. I was kind of reading a little bit, going through a frog. Lately I'm getting a lot of frogs. I don't know if that's a sign. Okay, this one is a band. It was made, I think, out of a coin, because we have inside the United States United States of America, and then the $quarter inside, and then 1950 on the here, 1959 Liberty. Yeah, let me show you up close. Okay, it is a artisan made, and then this one has 925 on it. Bracelet, a big chunky bracelet. I'm not sure. I think the clasp is a bit off, or something is going on over there. I think so, yeah. There is something going on. Let me open this one. I don't think this is silver though. Or at least not the clasp. The clasp that, I don't know. Testing it out. But this one is beautiful. An antique. Very short, almost like a choker. Nice design. I love this one. They are so pretty. So delicate, right? Yes, an exquisite work. There's, and okay, these are some of the modern, I think. Right. Let me undo the clasp on this one. So this is a more of a modern. There's no vintage. But hey, she's grabbing. She said she's just grabbing the jewelry from the estate houses, and she's. I even told her that I need even if they're broken, I will take them. So she was asking me if I want a, and I said yes. If you want to make a bag, just with the broken ones, why not? Now this, okay. Focus with you. Hey, these are glass beads, very nice. And this one, it's also with glass beads. I do love the beads on this. Okay, it's a long one. I'll just show you the beads. You get the idea, you guys, right? Okay, and then this one. I like this black lava. This one is, oh, it's broken. Here. See? And it's a really nice carved flowers, and look at the back. Kind of looks like a, I don't think it's shell, and maybe some sort of a seed or something. I'm not sure, some sort of an organic material. It's a very lightweight, and it's not resin. I don't think so. Okay. This was, I mean, it's a bracelet. I don't think the chain is the original one. Maybe the clasp, because the colors are not quite matching, right? The chain, the clasp, yes, the chain, not so much. And I do miss one stone here, but that's okay. I can fix that one. It's a nice, nice Victorian looking. Oh, look, look, look! I got the earring. I knew that the earring from the here, from the other bag, the gold stone. Oh, wait a minute, there is something on the back. The screw back over there. These are gold fill 12. No, something. Something. I'm happy that oh, but that's my tablecloth is really. And then here we have. No, wait a minute. There is this chain. You guys see this chain is tangled in the bracelet, and I think it's maybe broken or what? Or what's the deal with this chain? It's tangled in this charms little. Oh my. Okay. Right. I don't think it's broken though. No, I just need to carefully untangle this one. Let's check the chain. It looks like it's also a gold filled one, right? I'll show you. And then the bracelet, we have little charms on this one too. Also, like, what are they though? Let me take a closer look. Just little charms. There is no specific things in here, just very weird ones. Okay. Very weird ones. Right, I'll show it to you. You guys can figure it out what they are. Okay. I'll hold them for you guys so you can see them. Okay, and then we have, this is also for a toe ring, a very nice ornate detail on that one, and CTP or CTR, this is a brass one, ring. Okay, it's adjustable, a long gold tone chain here, a vintage one. Okay, and I had this one too, right? There's a bunch of bracelets in here, and I love the green and clear crystals on there, and there's no marking or anything like that on this one. That's pretty. I think they both are in the same, belong to the same person. And now these are glass beads, kind of an Egyptian card, right? That's how I see it. I might be wrong though. Purple, and it's a nice one too. I like it. And that's it. Right. That is all. I do love this. And then this is my favorite. Yep. These two actually. The glass ones. The glass ones, and then let me put it this way so you guys can see them a bit better. And then this one too. It's a really nice one. I love the design. It's something that you don't see it every day, right? And then the bracelet, and then I have the butterfly, and these two, and then my frog. Yep. So let me know, guys, which one was. Oh, this one too. I think that's silver. The wire is silver. Okay. Yeah, right. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm gonna go off camera and untangle this chain and see if I can actually do it without breaking it. Okay, yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sorry about the noise. The train is here. That's my cue. I gotta go. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.